Hi everyone. Let me give a big thank you for returning the beginning of the year paperwork so quickly and for all the donated supplies and money to our classroom. I have included some slides that will give you information about our year in second grade. We have a school-wide program called PBIS, Positive Behavior Interventions and Support. If your child has a below-the-line behavior, they will go to the planning room to work out a plan, which may include a consequence. A bottom-line behavior will not be tolerated, and a call home and a consequence will take place. We have our own classroom system. A student is able to move their magnet throughout the spaceship based on their self-controlled choices. If they get a purple out of this world, they'll get a reward. If a student gets to the red zone, a call or note will be sent home. During our math block, we'll be using a variety of resources. Math homework will be sent home on Wednesdays and due back by the following Wednesday. We are excited to have a new reading curriculum. Please be patient with us as we work on getting to know it better. During certain days of the week, students will be working at stations. While I meet with smaller groups of students, these are some of the skills and concepts they will be working on. Homework will be sent on Wednesdays and due back the following Wednesday. We are suggesting any amount of time spent reading will help your child become more fluent. Getting them to read any sort of print material is beneficial. We welcome parents to come for lunch. Our recess is first at 11:10, lunch at 11:30 to 11:50. Our specialist times will be on a digital day schedule. Please check the monthly calendar for these dates. The following is information for you. Here are some ways I may be reached. By email. Please do not send pickup notes this way, as I may not always get to my emails during the day. Also, these are the school phone numbers. Lastly, if you'd like to help with our class donation funds, there is a link here as well as the OES homepage. The following slide will give you information on the upcoming referendum vote on November 5th. Please check out the following links for information. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to working with you and supporting your child in their second grade journey.